we are discussing about the job costing or the project costing in Tally ERP 9. So first, we're going to check the definition of a job costing is that it is an accounting which tracks the cost and revenue by job or a project and enables the standardized reporting of profitability by job or a project. Some most important feature of using job costing in Tally ERP 9 is that it helps us to accumulate cost and revenue of a particular job or a project. It also helps us to track transfer of material from one warehouse or from one godown to another. The term godown is used in Tally ERP 9 for warehouse or for your store or for as well as the location. It also helps us to get the net profit or a loss of a particular job or project, the profitability report. It also provides us the summary of inventory movement, the inward outward of stock. It also helps us to compare the cost element, selling price, and profit with other jobs in a single screen. So the first thing that if you want to configure, if you want to enable the job costing feature in Tally ERP 9, the first step is that we need to activate some components, we need to activate some feature to enable to use this job costing in Tally ERP 9. So the first one is that we need to enable the feature of cost center, right? So the first step is that we need to enable the feature of cost center in Tally ERP 9. So for that, because it is a feature, so you need to go in F11, which is features. In features, that is an accounting feature. So you can press A, which is a short key, or just press enter. And here we have this option under cost profit centers management that you need to maintain a cost center here. So first you need to make this option yes, enable it, and use cost center for job costing. You need to make this option yes also. Enter, and you can save it. So Control A to save the setting. Similarly, we have some features which we need to activate in the inventory features. Enter. That we're going to use multiple locations like godowns or multiple warehouses or the stores. So I want to enable this option. We want to activate this option. So make it yes. So maintain multiple location. You can make it yes. And I want to track additional cost of purchases. So I'm going to make this option yes. Then use tracking numbers enable for delivery and the receipt notes. So you can make this option yes, and then Control A to save it. So these are the important features you need to active or you need to enable them if you're using the job costing in Tally ERP 9. So we enable the cost center, we enable multiple location, the godowns. We also enable additional cost to track additional cost of purchases and use tracking numbers for delivery and the receipt notes.